find out the equation of the angle bisector of the angle PQR, where the coordinates of the PQR is provided. So it's a very simple problem. Here, this particular problem is appeared in JEE Main 2001. It's a problem from straight line. Let's go ahead and solve this particular problem. So here see that we have to draw an angle PQR first. So to draw that, right, we consider the given points, right, PQR. So here we consider the x-axis and y-axis and try to put the PQR in the appropriate position. So here Q is the origin obviously, and P lies on x-axis, and 3 to 3, 3 to 3 or the point R is actually lies in the first quadrant. Let's go ahead and put the point P, Q as origin and R in the first quadrant. So join QR and PQ. So to have the angle PQR. So let's form the angle PQR. Now our aim is to find the angular bisector or equation of the angular bisector for this particular problem. So here our first job is to identify that can geometrically we able to identify the angle. So that's why first we drop a perpendicular RS from R to x-axis. Now observe that from the right angle triangle RQ and S, tan of the angle RQS is equal to opposite RS divided by the base, that is QS. Now also from the coordinate of the point R, we can observe that RS is equal to the y coordinate of the point R, that is 3 root 3, and QS is the x coordinate of the point R, that is 3. So therefore we can find that tan RQS is equal to 3 root 3 divided by 3, which is equal to root 3. We know that tan 60 degree is root 3. So therefore RQS is 60 degree. So you're able to obtain the angle RQS. Also notice that the angle RQS and the angle PQR forms a straight angle, or they are linear pair. So sum of that angle will be 180 degree. So obviously, right, by subtraction we get it, the angle PQR is 120 degree. Now we draw the angular bisector QA. So therefore this QA will divides the angle PQR into two equal angle and each of the measure as 60 degree, which is the properties of angle bisector. Now obviously notice that from this particular figure the angle AQX is equal to the 120 degree, and therefore we can identify that the line AQR is, or sorry, the line AQ makes 120 degree angle with positive direction of x-axis. So from here our main aim to find out the slope. Let's go ahead. So as we seen that QM makes an angle 120 degree, and we also know that if a line makes an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis, then slope is tan of that particular angle theta. So therefore here the slope of the line OQA is definitely be tan 120 degree. Now see that tan 120 degree can be written as 180 minus 60 degree. So therefore it will be minus tan 60, but because this angle is lies on the second quadrant, in the second quadrant tan value is negative. So therefore it's minus root 3. So therefore you obtain the slope of the line QA is minus root 3. Hence we can find out the equation now. So therefore the line QA is a line having the slope minus root 3 and passing through the point Q 0 0. We know that the equation of a line having slope m and passing through a given point x1 y1 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So therefore if we substitute the value of m as minus root 3 and y1 and x1 as 0 0, we get the equation of QA as y minus 0 is equal to minus root 3x minus 0. So therefore by simple calculation we find the equation of QA is root 3x plus y equal to 0, and that's it. So hence the correct option is option C. That's the equation of angle bisector. It's a very simple problem. Hope you understood it.